Welcome, aspiring Python programmers. I'm Ali. Python is a powerful programming language, but errors can sometimes occur during execution. And this video will explore the world of error handling in Python, understanding what errors are, how to handle them gracefully. Let's begin by understanding what errors are. In programming, errors are unexpected events that disrupt the normal flow of a program. Imagine a bridge that suddenly collapses. It's like an error in your program disrupting its flow. Let's start by understanding what errors are in Python. This Python example attempts to divide 10 by 0, causing a zero division error, which prevents the subsequent line of code from being executed. Errors in Python interrupt the normal flow of a program and need to be addressed to ensure proper execution. Errors in Python can be categorized into different types. Common error types include syntax errors, errors in the code structure, runtime errors, errors that occur during program execution, logical errors, errors in the program's logic. Consider a construction blueprint. Syntax errors are like design flaws, runtime errors are like on-site accidents, and synistic and logical errors are like architectural mistakes. Let's see an example of a syntax error which occurs due to a code structure issue. It shows a syntax error by missing a closing parenthesis in the assignment of the message variable, causing the subsequent line to be unexecuted. Syntax errors occur during code compilation and indicate issues in the code structure, requiring correction before execution. Now let's explore why error handling is important. Without proper error handling, a program can crash or produce unexpected results when errors occur. Imagine a tightrope walker without a safety net. It's like a program without error handling, risking a disastrous fall when errors happen. Now, let's explore why error handling is crucial in Python. In this Python example, error handling is demonstrated using a try except block to catch a zero division error. The code attempts to perform the division operation, and if an error occurs, gracefully handles it by assigning a meaningful message to the result variable, preventing program termination. Now let's learn how to handle errors gracefully in Python. Python provides tools like try and except blocks to catch and handle errors, ensuring that your program continues to run smoothly. Think of a safety net for a tightrope walker. It's like error handling in Python, providing a safety cushion when things go wrong. Now, let's learn how to handle errors gracefully in Python. In this Python example, error handling is demonstrated using a try except block to address a potential value error when attempting to convert a string hello to an integer. The program gracefully handles the error by setting the number variable to 0 in the event of an exception, ensuring smooth execution despite the input mismatch. Here are some commonly used error handling techniques in Python. 1, try and except blocks, catch and handle exceptions. Finally, block execute code regardless of whether an error occurs. Raise block, raise custom exceptions when needed. That concludes our journey through error handling in Python. Error handling is your safety net in the world of programming, allowing your code to gracefully recover from unexpected events. And we hope this video has illuminated the importance of error handling in Python. To dive deep into the topic and work on exercises, head over to our notebook on Google Colab and GitHub. To this link can be found in the description box. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.